Hello and welcome to the Schneider Electric Extended Warranty Registration Portal. In this short video, we will help you understand how to register the warranty extension that you have purchased. Before you start the registration process, kindly ensure that the following information is kept ready. First, you will need a registration number. This registration number you can find in the document provided by Schneider Electric or by your supplier. You will also need a document that will serve as a proof of warranty extension purchase. This document could be a sales document or any other mode of communication as provided by your supplier. Kindly ensure that the document you upload does not have pricing or any other sensitive information. Next would be the product reference and the serial number of the asset for which you have purchased this warranty extension. Finally, you need details of the customer where this asset is installed or details of the buyer of purchaser of the warranty extension. Please note that the customer's detail entered here will receive the entitlement information. So, assuming that you have this information ready, let's begin. As you can see on the right side of the screen, there are options to select language based on your requirement. We will select English for our example. Kindly read the notice posted here to ensure that you are in compliance with the local regulations. Click Agree to move forward. Select the country from where the warranty extension has been purchased. If you do not see the country listed in this, kindly contact your supplier once again. Kindly enter the registration number here, followed by which you will select the document to be uploaded as a proof of purchase. Click on Continue to go to the next step of entering the product reference number. As you can see, you can start entering few letters and it will allow you to select the product. If you do not find the product reference here, again kindly contact the supplier or Schneider Electric customer care. Let us now enter the serial number for which this registration is happening. Select the period for which you have purchased the warranty extension. Click on Continue. Now enter the details of the customer. As you can see, there are several fields which are mandatory. Kindly provide as much information as possible so that Schneider Electric customer care can contact you if there is any discrepancy or if further information is required. Kindly click on the CAPTCHA checker and then click on Submit. Once this has been submitted successfully, as you can see, you will receive a confirmation also on the email that you have provided. This is one sample email of such registration. This will summarize the registration number and also provide you with email ID and the contact details of the Schneider Electric customer care. Thank you.